I love my CFMOTO, and we will talk about shock absorber adjustment.
These shocks have 3 points of adjustment. First is preload, which is adjusted by tension of the spring. This affects ride height and stiffness. Second is rebound adjustment, which you can find most often in the bottom part of the shocks. This affects the rebound speed, or in other words, how fast the shock returns to its original position. If the knob is turned to the side marked S, the shock returns slower. If it is turned to F, that means it returns faster. The third adjustment is compression speed, or how fast your shock goes to a fully compressed position. Slow means it's stiffer on bigger bumps, and fast means it will get softer. When adjusting the shock, make sure you start by fully turning clockwise every knob and then count how many turns or clicks that adjustment has. Then turn and leave that adjustment in the middle. For example, this shock has 20 compression clicks, so we start by leaving it at 10. Rebound has 18, and we start by adjusting it to 9. Now your shocks are ready for personal adjustment. Find a bumpy section of the road and drive it many times, each time adjusting the shock to your preference, stiffer or softer, faster or slower rebound. To make it easier, ask your friend to make a video in slow motion and then study it to see how your shocks perform.
I love my CFMOTO. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.